Hi everyone, my name is Olivia and today I'll be talking to you about our Lifetune 1. This is our smallest protection device, so if you bought this and don't know what to do with it, I'm here to show you some different ways of using this. The first way is to place it on the back of your cell phone. It can go on your phone case or the actual cell phone, but it cannot go in between the phone case or the cell phone. Just simply peel and stick. The next way is to place it on top of your Wi-Fi router. This is an easy way to use it in your home. You could also place it on the back of your laptop. You could also place it on the back of your headphones, but if you have wireless headphones, just simply put it on the case. That is all I have today for the Lifetune 1, but if you've used this in a different way, definitely let us know in the comments down below. And if you have any of our other products, I made some videos talking about how to use those as well, so definitely check those out. Have a good one.